Okay, so let's see. 391 into this. Well, let's see. It won't go into 3. It won't go into 34. Will it go into 344? No, because that is less than that. So it's actually 391 into, and just block this off, 3,445. How are your 391 times tables, right? Not so good, maybe. So how do we estimate and make a decent guess? Well, let's see. Why don't we block off the 5 here and block off the 1 and think, well, if we had 39 into 344, right? Now or we could block off the 4 and block off the 9 and do 3 into 34. Although 39 is almost 40, isn't it? So 39 is almost 40. So, like, what about if we just kind of... Right, well, what if we think about, yeah, good point, 400 into this? Like, yeah, exactly. What if we thought, okay, let's say, we'll just in our minds think, okay, what about 400 into this? Which would be block off this, be like 40 into that, or block this off and block this off. It's kind of like 4 into 34, isn't it? Right. So what's 4 into 34? Right? Yeah, 8. So 8's a good guess. Again, if it's too high or low, not a big deal. I've got white out. Y'all have an eraser. We'll just try again. But 8 times 1, 8. 8 times 9, 72. Carry 7 somewhere. 8 times 3, 24. Plus 7, 31. Right? And now subtract. And so, got to make that a 15, you're right. So borrow, that becomes a 3. And 15 minus 8, 7. Yeah, probably. And then 3 minus 2, 1. And 30, and then 4 minus 1 is 3. Yeah, so 317. Good job. And now 391 into this. No, because we got to remember to bring this down, don't we? Yeah. So 317 is less than 391, and that's great. So that means that 8 was actually a good guess. That was a great guess. Good. So, so we bring this 0 down, and then we go 391 into that. You could try, yeah, you could try 7 or... Right. But now when we multiplied 8 times 391, what do we get? Right? So when we multiplied 8 times that, we got 3,128, right? And now we're trying to put this thing into 3,170. So what do you think we should guess? That's all right. Yeah, 8 again. Try it. 8 again, because it's going to be the same thing, is it? 8 times 1, 8. 8 times 9, 72. Carry 7. 8 times 3, 24. And 7, 31. It's obviously going to be 3,128 again, which is perfect, because that's just a little bit less than 3,170. Yep. Right, so 0 minus 8, we need to borrow from the 7. That becomes 6. So 10 minus 8, 2. 6 minus 2, 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. And that is the remainder. So we got to the end. And the remainder is 42. So the answer is 88, remainder 42. 88, remainder 42. right?